Hello Explorer, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. It's actually quite a chilly morning here in El Nido town, and I actually didn't expect it to be chilly in the morning, and I literally just brought a sweater just for the flight ride. Didn't realize I needed to use it while here. So anyway, I wasn't really planning on vlogging anything on this trip aside from the room tour, and mostly that's because January has been super stressful for me and this has been my first trip for the year and I just wanted to enjoy it fully. But I also realized that, you know what, El Nido is such a beautiful place and I don't actually need to just vlog and talk to you guys. I could still enjoy it while showing you guys the beautiful views. So that is what I've decided for this particular vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me, so you get to enjoy El Nido with me, as you always do with the other travel vlogs in this area. To those of you who have been following my vlogs, I am always in El Nido. And 2025, the first trip we have decided with some friends is El Nido again. Never gonna not come here. But anyway, in my previous tours, I've done Tour A already and Tour C. I'll leave the links below. But for this particular tour, we are just going to be doing our own itinerary. We will be visiting 3 popular spots and just taking time out into the, into the islands and enjoying nature. So no particular tour for this vlog. Just want to show you guys around some beautiful drone shots, some cinematography, and yeah, we will go from there. Again, I just want to relax, take it easy, especially for 2025. But at the same time, I also want to remember this trip, because for me, a lot of my trips, I would remember them because I record them or I take photos. So this is going to be one of them. It's going to be a beautiful day today. I can see there's absolutely no clouds in the sky. It's going to be really hot, but yeah, it's so early in the morning now. I'm currently in Panorama Villa. If you haven't seen, I've made the room tour vlog. I'll leave it up here and also down below if you want to check it out. And I'll start the day working because the tour does not start until 10 a.m. So I have the morning to do some work, and then I'm waiting for breakfast. So, and coffee, of course. All right, let's go, guys. Bacon. I know.
Can't see.
Yeah. Sand got soft now.